live?
You are live.
It should mean we are live. Hey everyone, this is Jack Heslin at J3D, j3dservices.com on the web. As always, thank you for joining us. We do this little broadcast most every day. Maybe there are some days we miss, and we talk about some really cool thing going on in 3D printing, either with J3D or in the industry as a whole. This, whoops, now, was that good hands or was that good hands? This might look like a silly little blue 3D print, but this is the kind of thing that makes 3D printing matter. I'm going to hold this a little closer to the camera, and this is an incredibly complex spoon printed at a right angle, okay? It's printed in blue PLA, and it was printed on a flash forge, which J3D does not carry at the moment, although we may one day in the future. Why are we talking about a spoon printed at a right angle? Well, this was printed at Access Independence here in Stratford, Connecticut. Access is doing something that I think is really smart, really kind of visionary. They're trying to figure out how 3D printing technologies can help people with disabilities and handicaps maintain or live more independent lives. So what's a spoon printed at 90-degree angle got to do with that? This happens to have been for somebody with cerebral palsy. And being able to hold a spoon, a traditional spoon, is very difficult for them. They don't have full use of their hands. It could be anyone with an issue with their hands that don't have full motor control. This happens to have been for somebody with cerebral palsy. The point is, this is a really simple solution. Okay, this person will be able to feed themselves a little longer by having a very simple device printed for them for a couple of bucks in plastic on a printer that wasn't a lot of money. 3D printing is great for a lot of reasons. We're using 3D printing at NASA to do the next generation fuel injectors and rockets. They're using 3D printers at GE Aviation and Pratt & Whitney. They use 3D printers in the military. You can also use 3D printing at a nonprofit in Stratford, Connecticut to help somebody who doesn't have full motor control live a little more independent life with a really, really simple solution. This is why 3D printing matters. This is why 3D printing is a big deal. This is why the future of 3D printing is only going to go up, up, and up. So I guarantee you know somebody who'd like to know about this. I guarantee you know someone who says, hey, if they can do a simple little spoon at a 90-degree angle, maybe we can have some other little simple thing 3D printed. And the odds are very, very good that you can. So I encourage you to share this video. I encourage you to follow us at J3D. We try to do these every day, bring people up to date on something. Learn more about us. Come to j3dservices.com, learn about our printers and our solutions, and we have the coolest phone number in 3D printing, 844-J3D-MAKE. So, my name's Jack Heslin. Thank you for joining us today. Remember the power that this represents. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.